Hello, welcome to week 2. We have several things that we're going to be focusing in on this week. So I just want to kind of run down and give you an idea. So in the lecture, you're going to be reading about ideations and reading strategies, reflecting, and run-on sentences and how to avoid them. So you're going to be sharing some of your thoughts about the ideation strategies that you're going to read about and which ones do you think would work best for you, which ones do not work best for you, and that's in our discussion post for this week. There's a check your knowledge. We have these periodically throughout the term. They are not graded. I do not get to see what you work on, but it's something for you to look at, making sure that you're following along with the lecture and the discussion. So kind of give you yourself some feedback about what you're doing in the class. This next assignment that you will be submitting, just as a reminder, anything that you submit for this class should be on a Word document, and you also as a student here at Bryant and Stratton, you have a free Microsoft Office 365 account. So send me an email if you need help with that. But otherwise, everything should be submitted as a Word document. It helps you to be able to use Microsoft, and it also helps me so that I can write directly on your assignments and let you know what's good and what needs to be fixed. So the reading strategy, it's a micro assignment because it shouldn't take you very long, but you're going to look at the attached document. This is a one part of a multi-step assignment. So this junior achievement memo, you're going to look at it and look at what is the purpose, what are the main points, what reading strategy did you use, that we talked about in the lecture, and then how well did this work for you. So here's the memo that you will be looking at for that micro assignment. The next thing is you are going to create a Word document where you identify your preferred ideation strategy. So this is kind of from what you're talking about in the discussion, but a little bit more in depth. So you're going to name the strategy, explain in 3 or 4 sentences why, what you like about it, and how you're going to use this to write an assignment for next week. You're going to write a summary. So you'll scoot down here. This is a preview for week 3 that you will be working on. So the ideation strategy is kind of a primer to get you ready for this assignment in week 3. So you'll be looking at that as well. The last thing that you will be completing for week 2 is creating an outline. So you're going to read this article called Why We Still Need Feminism by Casey Kavanaugh. And you're going to use the reading strategies from this week's lecture to carefully preview and take notes. And you're going to highlight her main ideas. Okay, so this is an article. It's not exactly straightforward. It's a little bit more controversial, and I think just the tendency is to want to respond. Whether you agree or disagree, that part doesn't matter. But overall, what I'm looking for is, can you summarize the main points that this author is trying to make? Not whether you agree or disagree or how you think that things should happen as far as feminism, but it's summarizing the article. So that's a really important skill that we want to really hone in on. So we are moving right along in this class. Week 1 was really quick, but everyone did a really great job getting started. Anytime you have questions, please send me an email, and have a great week.